Welcome to this tutorial on ingress rules in Kubernetes. In this video, we'll explore how to configure ingress rules for traffic routing using two powerful methods, path-based routing and host-based routing. These techniques allow you to control how external traffic reaches your services inside a Kubernetes cluster. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to route traffic efficiently based on host names and URL paths. Let's get started. Ingress rules define how external traffic reaches your Kubernetes services. They act as a set of instructions that tell the ingress controller where to send incoming requests. With ingress rules, you can control routing based on host names and URL paths, making it easy to manage multiple services through a single entry point. Ingress also enables TLS and SSL termination at the edge, adding an extra layer of security. Instead of exposing each service individually, Ingress provides one unified gateway for all your applications, simplifying your cluster's network architecture. Host-based routing directs traffic to different services based on the hostname specified in the HTTP request. This is particularly useful when you want multiple subdomains pointing to the same IP address but serving different applications. For example, requests to api.example.com can be routed to your API service, while requests to web.example.com go to your web service, and admin.example.com reaches your admin service. Each hostname acts as a unique identifier, ensuring that traffic is delivered to the correct backend application. This approach is commonly used in microservices architectures where different services need their own domain names. Here's how you configure host-based routing in Kubernetes. Under the Rules section, you specify the host field with the domain name you want to match, such as api.example.com. Then, under the HTTP section, you define the paths. In this example, the path is set to /, which matches all requests to that host. The path type is set to Prefix, meaning it matches any path starting with the specified value. Finally, the backend section specifies the service name and port number where the traffic should be sent. In this case, all traffic to api.example.com is routed to API-service on port 8080. Path-based routing routes traffic to different services based on the URL path in the request. Unlike host-based routing, which uses the hostname, path-based routing examines the path portion of the URL. This is ideal when you want to host multiple applications under the same domain. For example, requests to example.com/API can go to your API service, requests to example.com/web go to your web service, and requests to example.com/admin go to your admin service. This method simplifies domain management since you only need one domain name, and different paths direct traffic to the appropriate backend services. Configuring path-based routing is similar to host-based routing, but focuses on the path field. In this example, the host is set to example.com, and under the HTTP paths section, the path is defined as /API. The path type is set to Prefix, which means any request starting with /API will be matched, including subpaths like /API/v1. The backend section specifies that traffic matching this path should be routed to API-service on port 8080. You can add multiple path rules under the same host to route different paths to different services. Kubernetes provides three path type options that determine how paths are matched. The first is Prefix, which matches any URL path that starts with the specified value. For example, if you set the path to /API, it will match /API/v1/users and any other subpaths. The second option is Exact, which only matches the exact path you specify. So, /API will only match /API and nothing else. The third option is ImplementationSpecific, which depends on the ingress controller you're using. Each controller may implement this differently, so it's important to consult the documentation for your specific ingress controller. Let's look at a complete ingress example that combines everything we've learned. This Ingress resource uses API version networking.k8s.io/v1 and is of kind Ingress. The metadata section includes the name, which is multi-routing-ingress. In the spec section, we define the rules. The host is set to api.example.com, and the path is /v1 with a path type of prefix. The backend service is named API-v1-service, and it listens on port 8080. This configuration routes all requests to api.example.com/v1 and its subpaths to the specified service. You can expand this by adding more rules for different hosts and paths.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.